Okay, dear students, let us see question number 34 from CET 2024 chemistry D-1 code. 33 question actually they have asked from the drug chemistry, that is biologically active adrenaline and ephedrine used to increase the blood pressure. Actually it is a secondary amine which is out of syllabus. Okay, deleted syllabus chapter question. That's why we are saying 34 organic chemistry. What is the question is, in the reaction, one conversion reaction given, let us see. They have given, that is aniline. On the arrow mark they have given sodium nitrite, dilute HCl also given here. That is converted into P. Then P is converted into Q. Over the arrow mark they are given phenol and NaOH. Phenol and NaOH. So the now question is, in this reaction what is Q? In this reaction what is Q is the question. Okay. We are very clear about this nitrogen compounds. Aniline undergoing diazotization reaction. Whenever sodium nitrite and HCl is there, that aniline reaction with sodium nitrite, aniline reaction with sodium nitrite and HCl produces nitrous acid, and thereby at 0 degrees Celsius, perfectly saying, this converted into a compound called diazonium salt, that is N2 plus Cl minus. This is what they are given P, that is benzene diazonium chloride. And now benzene diazonium chloride, they are telling benzene diazonium chloride is treated with phenol. Benzene diazonium chloride is treated with phenol. In this dye will be formed, pink color dye will be formed. One of the hydrogen at hydrogen from phenol will be taken. In this the HCl will be removed, and both that whatever groups are there, that groups in the presence of whatever base is there converted into a coupling reaction product, that is NN ortho, that means para hydroxy. This is called para hydroxy. Its name is para hydroxy, and 2 nitrogen double bond is there, that is called azo benzene. Without this OH it is called azobenzene. Hydroxy is there at para position, that's why it is called para hydroxy azobenzene. This is the actual formula of this compound Q. So Q name in the options given para hydroxy azobenzene. Third option for this question, number 34 from aniline chapter, nitrogen compound chapter. Okay, let us see the question number 34. The female sex hormone which is responsible for the development of secondary female characteristics and participates in the control of menstrual cycle is estradiol. It's a conceptual one. Estradiol is nothing but a female sex hormone. Okay, that's question number 35. Is also a conceptual one. Another question here asked from this biomolecules chapter, question number 36, that is the type of linkage present between nucleotides. So type of nucleotide, what is the linkage is present in the nucleotides, that is called as phosphodiester linkage, that is known as phosphodiester linkage. Phosphodiester linkage is the right answer for this question. It is also conceptual one from this. And another question they asked, question number 37 from biomolecules, which is alpha D glucose and beta D glucose are what kind of isomers? Actually, alpha D, beta D glucose are said to be anomers. Alpha D and beta D glucose. Alpha D and beta D glucose are said to be anomers. Actually, anomers are nothing but they have the say they are isomers. They differ at C1 carbon. That groups OH group is present in left side and right side of that C1 carbon. That makes alpha D and beta D glucose are anomers. So they are said to be anomers. Anomers is the right answer for that question number 37. 38 they are given 38 onwards they are given some of the questions from polymers which are actually out of syllabus we can consider. So 38, 39, 40 and 41 they all came from out of syllabus. So we are going to go to the next number, that is question number 42. Okay, what is that question number 42 we have, that is for which of the following mixtures composition uniform throughout. Composition is uniform throughout. So a mixture is there in that composition is uniform throughout. If they have given like this, that is nothing but homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, like a solution that is. In that solution case, we have one solution, dilute aqueous solution of sugar is the right answer. Dilute aqueous solution of sugar, which is uniform throughout in the composition mixture. So mixture of oil and water, sand and water, grains and pulses with stone, like that. And this is also said to be a true solution. A true solution actually, which can be considered as a true solution. If you take it seriously, actually it comes under even that colloidal solution and true solution differences also it will come. But we are considering this is a very common topic, so we are not going to say it is deleted. Solution chapter is also there we have. Otherwise, the number of deleted questions will be out of syllabus may be increasing. Now, the question number 43. Question number 43. That is, the energy associated with the first orbit of helium is. So, energy associated with first orbit of He plus is. First orbit E1, that is N is 1. Otherwise, nth orbit hydrogen-like species energy formula we have, that is minus 13.6 by N square into Z square is the formula for hydrogen-like species. This energy formula is applicable for any hydrogen-like species which is given to us. Now, the given ion is nothing but He plus and they are asking first orbit, energy associated with first orbit. Means what is E1? E1 is equals to minus 13.6 by N square is 1 square. Helium Z value is 2, so we are writing 2 square. This is actually in terms of electron volts is going to come, and further we can change it units if needed. In all the options they have joules are there, so we can multiply this value 13.6 into N square is 4. This electrons volts is 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. Okay, so This, if you just multiply 13.6 into 4 into 1.6, will come 87 approximately into 10 power minus 19 joules. It can also be written as minus 8.7 into 10 to the power of minus 18 joules. That is the second option we have. Second option is the right option for this question. So question number 43, excellently asked from structure of atom, Bohr's model of hydrogen atom, hydrogen like species question, energy question asked. This is the right answer, correct answer for this question that they have asked. Whereas question number 44, one simple question they have asked, that is which one is metalloid? They are given symbols like this: bismuth, SB, PSE. Bismuth, antimony, phosphorus, selenium. Bismuth is from fifth group. Antimony is also from fifth group. That means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So Se is only from sixth group. That is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. In this, antimony is said to be one of the metalloid we can consider. Okay, so what is metalloid in this? Among the four, we can go with antimony. This is one direct conceptual question. Direct question came from this. With this 44 are completed. Let's move on to question number 45. So we have question number 45 now. What is that? Is a pair of isoelectronic species having bond order of 1. Actually, what is the pairs they given? NO and CO, N2 comma CO plus, N2 comma NO plus, and O2 2 minus comma F2, and CO NO plus. Just carefully observe in this. Bond order is 1 for which one they have asked. Means you can check with that MOT theory. Whereas two fluorine atoms we have bond order 1 is there, and between two oxygens O2 2 minus we have bond order is 1 is there. So this pair we can consider as bond order is 1. In that, if you select that O2 2 minus, how many electrons are there? Means 16 minus 2 means 8, 2 electrons we have to add. The total number of electrons is 18 electrons. At the same time, F2 if you take, there also we have 18 electrons is coming. Bond order is 1, 18 electrons are coming in both case. That pair is called as iso-electronic pair. So remaining different answers. Multiple bonds are forming, two nitrogen atoms here, two nitrogen oxygen, carbon oxygen, multiple bonds are there. More than one bond is there, so they are not considered isoelectronic. Even though they are isoelectronic, bond order is not 1. Next, question number 46. Question number 46 is out of syllabus, that is from Van der Waals equation came from states of matter. Question number 47, thermodynamics. What is question number 47? Interesting question they are given. A picture given to us, A gives rise to 2B and 2B gives rise to C and C gives rise to A. So like this the arrow mark shown. That means A became 2B, 2B became C and C became A. In this conversion they are given delta H1 value for A to B, that is plus 10 joules, and B to C they are given delta H2 value that is equals to plus 25 joules. What it means that A converted to C, it has taken a total energy of 35 kilojoules. Okay, 35 joules. Whereas the question is delta H of the reaction C gives rise to A. So they are asking enthalpy of reaction, that is C gives rise to A. What is the reaction is? Enthalpy for C gives rise to A is how much? First point, according to Hess law of constant heat summation, when A is converted into C, how many steps is taken? It has taken 2 steps. What is the enthalpy of the reaction here? Is delta H1 plus delta H2. Its answer is 10 plus 25. 10 plus 25 is how much? That is 35 joules. So here we have 35 joules came for enthalpy of A gives rise to C. If it is C gives rise to A, the reverse reaction, the enthalpy of reaction will be minus 35 joules. Okay, so that is the answer for this question. Simply asked, that is from Hasselhoff constant heat summation thermodynamics fundamental. They have asked this question. Interesting question only. Okay, next thing, moving on to the question number 48. Okay, question number 48. Let us see what is there. And the question number 48 we have vapor pressure of solution containing 18 grams of glucose and 178.2 grams of water. Here, one is glucose, another one is water given, and their mass is given 18 grams, 178.2 grams given. Suppose you have taken, this is the mass m1, this mass is m2. So what is m1, m2? This is clear. So what is the number of moles? What is the molar mass? Molar mass here is nothing but here mass will write W1, here W2, and here we will write molar mass m1. Glucose molar mass is 180. What is molar mass of water is 18. So if you find number of moles, then 18 by 180, it will be 0.1 will come. If you find number of moles of water, 178.2 by 18, so you will get 9.9 in this one. So in this calculation, what you understand is total number of moles N1 plus N2 is 9.9 plus 0.1, exactly 10. Okay, let it be. Actually, the question is nothing but what is the vapor pressure of this solution? What is vapor pressure according to Raoult's law? Vapor pressure is equals to vapor pressure of pure water at 100 degrees Celsius given P0 into XA. So this is nothing but solute. So mole fraction of solute. What is total vapor pressure given to us is 760 torr into mole fraction. What is mole fraction is yes, mole fraction value. They are asking vapor pressure of solution containing, this is the glucose. Now X1 PS is equals to vapor pressure of solution is P0 into X. So that is if you consider as X in this water vapor pressure is because of water, then mole fraction of this water you will consider as X2 here, that is equals to 760 into 9.9 by here 9.9 plus 0.1. Usually vapor pressure is because of the solvent, not because of the solute. Solute never contribute towards the vapor pressure of the solution. So we have taken 9.9 only. So 760 into 9.9, almost 760, close to 760 we have an answer, that is 752.4. That is the right answer for this question, 752.4. Okay, so that is question number 48. Whereas next one, question number 49. Let us see question number 49. That is, a mixture of phenol and aniline shows negative deviation. Phenol and aniline, they are telling it shows negative deviation. This is very clear that both are forming hydrogen bonds. Because of that, they show negative deviation from which rule? That is Raoult's law. That is Raoult's law. Because of they have a bond between them, that is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. It's a conceptual one. Because of that, they are showing a negative deviation. Similarly, one more question asked from Raoult's law only, positive deviation question number 50. Which one of the following pairs will show positive deviation? In this one, we will go with benzene and methanol. One is benzene, another one is methanol, CH3OH. So benzene and methanol, what is going to happen is the attraction between those molecules is said to be greater than the attraction between them. It means what will happen, obviously this benzene is going to participate in the breaking of these bonds between ethyl alcohol, methanol. So the pressure increases, that means volatility increases, evaporation increases, positive deviation. So that this will show positive deviation from Raoult's law. So because of this bonds here, they come closer, evaporation decreases. Here, because of repulsion, means benzene is a non-polar one, it breaks the bonds between methanol, then evaporation increases. The total evaporation increases means positive deviation of Raoult's law is going to be noticed. That is question number 50. Okay. So that's it with this session. The next session we are going to give the remaining, the balanced numbers 51 to last 60 we will do in the next session. Until have a nice day. Thank you very much.